Hello and welcome back to another osTicket tutorial. This tutorial is going to cover the post-install configuration of it with basically just setting up roles, departments, teams, agents, users, configuring custom SLAs and custom help topics. So getting to it. So first things first, we need to connect back into the virtual machine that has osTicket installed. Just open up the remote desktop connection. You do that by going down to the search, typing in remote desktop connection, and you can bring it up, but just remember that you start the virtual machine. We'll go ahead and start it up. Now that it's running. Now we open up the remote desktop connection, go down to the search bar, remote desktop connection, and it should be up here at the top. So we're going to connect into it. Hopefully you saved your password from the last. Okay, we're going to yes. To it. A little bit. Copy this web address. Open up Microsoft Edge. Going to paste my GitHub profile back to this, and now we need to connect into the admin portal. I have the link here. This one. Let me open this up in a new tab. Username. Just enter in the username and the password that you set up. Okay, so we got it installed. Not worried about saving it. Yeah, so once we're logged in, next we're going to create a new role as Supreme Admin. So I'm going to go into the admin panel. Right here at the top. And so we're going to do agents and then roles. We're going to click on add new role. And the name of it is going to be SysAdmin. Supreme Ad. So now we're going to go here and we are going to click all of these boxes, tickets, and tasks, and okay, there we go. And now we're going to create a new department. Name of the department is going to be SysAdmin. Oh, make more. Yeah, so then we're just going to click on create department. So now we have support sysadmins, support maintenance. Okay, so next we are going to create a new team called online banking. Agents tabs, teams, add a new team. Gonna name it online banking. We don't have any team members yet, but we'll get to that here in a second. We're gonna create team. Okay, so next we're basically gonna allow anyone to create a ticket without having to register an account. So back over here. Users. So basically we're just double checking this checkbox to make sure it's not clicked in. If it's not clicked in, then anyone can uh, create any tickets to this help desk. So now we're gonna start creating staff. We're gonna go to agents, add a new agent. Jane Doe. Jane Doe, who's gonna be in the department of SysAdmins with the supreme admin role, be on the online baking team. So we got Jane Doe. Okay. So user or the email address is just basically just made up, as you could tell. The username, I'm gonna do Jane underscore admin. And primary department is going to be this admin. The role that we're gonna give her is supreme admin. She's gonna be assigned to online baking. Next, we're gonna hit create. So next, we're gonna create another agent. But first, we got Jane Doe here. But I'm gonna click on add new agent. First name is gonna go on no relation to Jane, but so his access. Oh, what was it? Okay, so support role view. He's gonna be in support. The only permissions he's gonna have the view tickets. And so next we're gonna set up the passwords to the two new agents that we created with Jane Doe and John Doe. Okay, so I'm gonna click on Jane Doe here in the Agents tab. Click on this set password. Okay, I'm gonna uncheck the send an email because yeah, that's not gonna work. Password. I'm just gonna be password 1. Re-enter password 1. And load. Yeah, I'm gonna uncheck require password to change it next login. If it was set up in a real help desk, they would need to change it, but this is just for tutorial purposes. So we got Jane set. Now we need to back out, go to John Doe. We're going to click on set password. Same thing for him. We're going to uncheck send email box. Going to enter in the same password for password 1. Okay. And for him, I'm going to uncheck require password at next login as well. So next we're going to click update. I'm going to see. Yeah. So now we're going to create 2 regular users within the agent panel. So we're going to click on agent panel. Okay, so we're going to click on the users tab. We're going to add a user. So this one we got Karen, because who doesn't love Karens? And now we're going to make Ken. We're going to click add user for Ken. So we're going to double check by clicking users tab. Now we get Ken and Karen. We're going to go back to the admin panel. And we're going to click on Manage, SLA. And we're going to add a new SLA plan. Step B, so the name of the first one, we're going to do Severity A. We're going to set the grace period of 1 hour. Set it 24/7. We're going to add the plan. I'm going to add a new SLA plan. Call this Sev B. Grace period. Going to be 4 hours. So grace period, 4 hours. Schedule, we're going to do the same as Sev A's plan. Okay. And we're going to add a new SLA plan. This one's Sub C. Gonna have 8 hours. But this time we're gonna do the 24/5. Add the plan. Okay, so we got all of them added. Okay, so now we're going to be creating help topics. We're already in the Manage tab. So we're going to go over to Help Topics. We're going to click on Add a new help topic. Yeah. Now we're going to create Business Critical Outage. We're going to do Add Topic. So we're going to click on Help Topics again under the Manage tab. And here we can see we got Business Critical Outage. And so we're going to add a new help topic. This one is going to be Equipment Requests. Add topic. Manage help topics again. Now we can see it's added right there. So we're going to add a new one. This one's going to be Personal Computer Issues. And then we're going to click on the add topic, manage help topics. That one goes. The next one we're going to do is password reset. The probably very common one in help desks. Manage help topics. Password reset right there. Add a new help topic again. This one, we're going to call it other. To set the parent topic for report a problem. Back to manage help topics. Okay, so equipment requests. Click on that one. And we're going to change this parent to general inquiry. Click on save changes. And I'm going to go back to the help topics. Personal computer issues. Parent topic is going to report a problem. Okay, manage help topics. I'm going to go to password reset, click on that. This one we're going to do report a problem. Okay, I'm going to go back to the help topics on the dashboard. And other, we're going to click on. We're going to do a general query. Click on Save Changes. And that'll conclude the post installation configuration of osTicket and that help desk of this tutorial. See you guys in the next one.